In this lesson, we are working with one of the most fundamental aspects of Excel automation, manipulating the content of cells. Unlike constants, which remain fixed throughout the execution of a program, cell content in a worksheet is dynamic. It changes constantly as formulas are recalculated, inputs are updated, or macros write results back into the spreadsheet. That is why understanding how to control cell values through VBA is absolutely essential. At the beginning of the procedure, I demonstrate the simplest and most common operation, assigning a value to a cell using the .value property. This allows VBA to write data directly into the worksheet, for example, entering an input or storing a calculated result. Immediately afterwards, I show .value 2, which behaves similarly but reads numbers and dates more efficiently, without applying Excel's currency or date conversions. In financial analysis, this subtle difference often matters. Next, we move on to formulas. With formula, VBA can insert a standard Excel formula into a cell, just as if the user typed it manually. But for more advanced automation, formula R1C1 becomes extremely powerful. Instead of relying on fixed addresses like B3, it uses relative positions, meaning that the same macro can be applied to multiple rows or columns without rewriting the logic. This is a key technique in building scalable financial models. We then examine the text property. Unlike value or value 2, text returns exactly what the user sees on the screen, after number formatting, rounding, and alignment. This distinction is important because financial reports often display values differently from how they are stored internally. After that, I illustrate how to work with a collection of cells using the .item property. This allows us to reference individual elements within a multi-cell range, for example, selecting the second cell inside a block of financial assumptions or survey responses. We also explore comments. With .add comment and .clear comments, VBA can attach notes directly to cells, helping document assumptions, warn users, or explain calculations. Proper documentation is a crucial component of any high-quality financial model. Finally, we apply a number format to a cell using .number format. This controls how results appear to the user, whether as percentages, currency, or general numbers. Consistent formatting ensures clarity, especially when sharing models with colleagues or clients. By the end of this lesson, it becomes clear how versatile and powerful cell manipulation is in VBA. Every calculation, every transformation, and every report ultimately interacts with the worksheet, and mastering these tools allows us to automate financial workflows efficiently and reliably. Manipulating content isn't just about writing numbers into cells. It's about structuring models, preserving clarity, enhancing documentation, and making sure that every part of a financial analysis behaves exactly as intended.